हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल। आज हम करने वाले हैं जीटी इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स। राइट। आई नो ये सेक्शन बहुत लाइटली लेते हैं स्टूडेंट्स और वहीं उनका बैंड स्कोर डाउन हो जाता है, बट यू आर नॉट वन ऑफ देम। राइट। आज के बाद तुम लोग इनफॉर्मल लेटर के किंग और क्वीन बन जाओगे, आई वुड से। राइट। सो आज के सेशन का गोल है आपको इनफॉर्मल टोन समझाना कि फ्रेंडली टोन क्या होती है, कैसे लिखते हैं, प्लस स्ट्रक्चर याद करना बिना कोई रोट लर्निंग के। देयर शुड बी अ फुल लॉजिक बिहाइंड दैट स्ट्रक्चर। नेचुरल फ्रेजेस को यूज करना बैंड 7+ वाले लेवल के। एंड वी विल डू अ लाइव प्रैक्टिस। कॉमन मिस्टेक्स हम अवॉइड करेंगे जब हम एक इनफॉर्मल लेटर को लिखेंगे। सो इफ यू स्टे इन दिस सेशन टिल द एंड, आप बिना सोचे एक अच्छा लेटर लिख पाओगे। इनफॉर्मल लेटर आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट। ओके। हु हैज शेयर्ड दिस? यस, राज। Okay, I know. I remember this task. Yes, we will discuss about the homework first. जो भी task आपको दिया था. Before starting the topic, any doubt, any query, if anyone have, yes. Good morning, Rajiv Khatri. Rajiv, can you unmute and speak? No, he doesn't want to. Okay. So as I discussed yesterday, first we will be discussing about this question. This is formal or semi-formal letter? Yes. Yes, please. Formal or semi-formal? Yes, Raj.
Formal, mom.
It's a
It's a
semi-formal. It's a semi-formal
semi-formal.
because you know the manager of the club, but you know him in a professional way, right? Whenever you join a club, Mauricio, suppose you joined a club. So the manager is a known person to you, but he's known in a professional way, not a friendly. So this is semi-formal. So what we will write first?
Greetings.
Greetings. Yes. First you have to write the greetings, and the second is opening paragraph. So quickly tell me, what do you write as opening paragraph? Opening paragraph में क्या लिखोगे? What is the reason? What is the purpose of writing a
Purpose.
letter? Yes? Anyone?
It's a company,
Mm-hmm.
and
देखो.
I'm writing.
A complaint.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Is it a complaint letter or any other? Try to understand. क्या ये कंप्लेन लेटर है या कोई और टाइप ऑफ लेटर है? व्हाट्स द इशू हियर? यस प्लीज। आर यू श्योर इट्स अ कंप्लेन लेटर? यस, इट्स अ कंप्लेन लेटर बिकॉज यू आर नॉट हैप्पी विद द सर्विसेज, यू आर फेसिंग सम इश्यूज, यू आर डिस्क्राइबिंग अबाउट द प्रॉब्लम्स। जो भी सर्विस वहां प्रोवाइड की जा रही है उससे आपको प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, राइट? सो स्टार्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट अ स्टेटमेंट. Can anybody tell me about a statement? Yes. कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे हम? इट्स अ कंप्लेन लेटर. योर टोन शुड बी अबाउट dissatisfaction because you joined a club and you are facing some issues with the service provided.
Yeah, we can say that I'm
Mhm.
writing this letter to express my
Mhm.
disappointment about.
Yes. Disappointment,
Uh,
dissatisfaction. Yes.
mhm.
Hmm. Or I'm writing to bring your attention towards some issues. देखो जो यहाँ पर लिखा है, दिस इज नथिंग बट द ओपनिंग पैराग्राफ। क्योंकि आप लेटर लिख क्यों रहे हो? क्योंकि आपको कुछ इश्यूज हैं उनकी सर्विसेज से। सो आई एम राइटिंग टू ब्रिंग योर अटेंशन टुवर्ड्स सम इश्यूज आई हैव बीन एक्सपीरियंसिंग सिंस joining the club or या फिर जब से आपने ज्वाइन करा 2 months 3 months you can talk about it, right? Or I'm writing to express my dissatisfaction with the services at your sports facility which I joined 2 months back, last month back. पर्पस लिखने के बाद यू हैव टू राइट द फर्स्ट बॉडी पैराग्राफ. अब आपको प्रॉब्लम्स बतानी है कि आप प्रॉब्लम क्या फेस कर रहे हो. व्हाट आर द प्रॉब्लम्स? हाउ विल यू स्टार्ट द प्रॉब्लम्स? यस, यस प्रिया, व्हाट आर द प्रॉब्लम्स? So the problem can be it's a sports facility, it's a club. You can talk about the gym equipment is out of the order, several machines are still on repair, changing rooms are not clean, there's an unhygienic environment, or staff is not also available to assist us. What are the problems you have been facing? Yes, any
Yeah, I think
ideas? Mm-hmm.
we'll
Yes.
just take some points regarding the
Mm-hmm. Service part. कि उन
regarding some
सर्विसेज में
equipment.
आपको
So
क्या
yeah,
प्रॉब्लम है. You have to talk
yeah,
about that problem. Now, how it is
Mhm.
affecting you? How it is affecting you? You're not able to follow your workout routine properly because there's lack of cleanliness, so it's difficult to have the facilities comfortably. Or, and we also feel like the membership which we paid is not even justified because it is actually affecting the overall experience. You're not able to follow your workout routine properly. Now, what action you would like the manager to take? क्या चाहते हो आप मैनेजर क्या करे?
install some new equipments
Yes.
and
So you have to
make some
use the polite tone. I would appreciate if you could ensure that all the equipment is maintained regularly, cleanliness standards should be improved, staff should be available at all the times to assist the members of the club so that we can have a good experience. And then you have to write a closing statement. What will be the closing statement? यहाँ पे क्या closing statement लिख सकते हो आप? I will
hoping you
look
will take some
forward.
immediate
Yes, yes, please.
hoping you will take some immediate actions and
I look forward
respond
to your
accordingly.
prompt action regarding these concerns. You're looking for actually, I hope these concerns will be addressed soon. Then yours sincerely and your full name. Clear? Now,
Yeah.
let's talk about informal part. Informal letters क्या होते हैं? Anyone? We already discussed about it yesterday कि informal क्या होते हैं. So if you're writing a letter to your friend, that's a informal letter. If you're writing a letter to your brother, your sister, your family member, it's a informal letter. How do you start your letter? Yes, anyone. कैसे start करते हो आप अपने letter को? Yes, please. Anyone?
Aman, dear Sharma.
Aman?
Dear Sharma, ऐसे ही एक
Dear Sharma.
लास्ट का
But we do not write the last name. जब भी हम informal letter लिखेंगे, we can start with Hi Aman, Hey Aman, Dear Aman. These are all informal language. Hi, hello, hey, dear, and the first name of your friend. Next, कैसी टोन होती है जब आप किसी फ्रेंड फैमिली या किसी भी नोन पर्सन को लिखते हो इनफॉर्मल लेटर? व्हाट शुड बी योर टोन ऑफ राइटिंग द लेटर? यस,
कॉमन होती जो नॉर्मल बात करते हैं वही
not common, we call it as casual tone. We have a friendly, relaxed, personal, and a casual tone. Can I say this to my friend ki I would like to inform you? Do we use this language? I would like to inform you. नो, आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू टेल यू. हम कभी भी इनफॉर्मल लेटर में ये नहीं बोलते आई वुड लाइक टू इन्फॉर्म यू. दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. वी से आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू टेल यू. नाउ यू ऑल नो द स्ट्रक्चर, राइट? आपको फॉर्मल एंड इनफॉर्मल का डिफरेंस भी पता है कि फॉर्मल फ्रेजेस क्या हैं, इनफॉर्मल फ्रेजेस क्या हैं, राइट? सो कैन यू राइट जस्ट द ओपनिंग ऑफ एन essay? I am giving you a question and I want you to first write the opening. You recently moved to a new city. Write a letter to your friend, where you moved, how you feel, and invite your friend. First, you have to tell me about the salutation. Then you have to write a opening statement. Opening means why are you writing the letter? What is the purpose of writing a letter? Yes. Yes, please. Suggestions. I want answers from you. How will you start? Yes, Sushila. Mauricio.
So we can
Mm-hmm.
start by greeting or something. How are
Yes.
you?
Yes. So
From
how will we
day.
start? What will be the greeting?
So, dear Summer,
Hmm.
how are you doing?
Hmm.
I'm delighted to tell you that
Mm-hmm.
I
Mm-hmm.
recently migrated in a new city, and I had a great experience here, like this.
Yes, correct. That's correct. So, hi, Aman, dear Aman, hey, Aman, hello, Aman. You can use any salutation. Then you have to talk about because it's an informal letter. I hope everything is going well. I hope you are well. I re Yes. So I recently moved to a new city and I wanted to share my experience with you. Or I just wanted to tell you that I've recently moved to a new city and it's been a quite exciting experience so far. क्योंकि आपका पर्पस क्या है कि आपने रिसेंटली एक न्यू सिटी में मूव करा है और आप अपने फ्रेंड को एक लेटर लिख रहे हो टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट पार्ट. सो व्हाट इज द पर्पस? पर्पस क्या है कि आपने न्यू सिटी में मूव करा है. सो यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट दिस इन द ओपनिंग पैराग्राफ. इनफॉर्मल लेटर है, यू कैन यूज कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस हियर. हाय लिखो, देन राइट योर फ्रेंड्स नेम. हाय अमन. Okay, and then you have to write a opening statement. Yes, anybody else? Very good morning, Swati. And you can use the contractions. I hope you are doing great. I just wanted, देखो मैंने ये नहीं लिखा I would like to tell you. I just wanted to tell you. That is the difference between formal and informal tone. So informal में we say I just wanted to tell you because हम अपने friend से ऐसे ही बात करते हैं. I would like to inform you नहीं बोलते. जब हम I would like to inform you use करेंगे, that means we are talking in a professional way. So this is not professional, this is informal way of writing. That's the end of the opening paragraph. Now, where you moved? Yes. You have to talk about now 3 different paragraphs. Now, first we will focus on the opening statement. I'm giving you another situation. You have to talk about opening. You missed your friend's party. Write a letter to your friend. What will be the opening? Yes. Yes, Priya. Mauricio. Anyone who would like to give answer? Yes, please.
Ma'am, I just write that letter and I got six band in it.
The same letter.
Yeah.
So what will
I
be the
was
opening paragraph? Yes. How will you write the opening paragraph? देखो salutation आपको पता है, hi लिख के you will be writing your friend's name. So what you can write in the opening? Why are you writing a letter? Because you missed out your friend's birthday party. So क्या लिखोगे? Opening statement.
We will apologize for not coming in the birthday party. Firstly, we will wish him, and after that, we will apologize for not
So I
being.
want that statement. How to start that? Ideas so we all have. How will you start that statement?
So we'll start like, dear Aman, hope this letter finds you in radiant health. Firstly, I would like to wish you happy birthday, and at the same time, I would apologize for not uh, coming on your birthday party.
Yes, correct.
So this will be the opening.
Yes. I hope you're doing great. I hope you had an amazing birthday. I just wanted to say sorry, or I'm really sorry I couldn't make it to your birthday party. I feel terrible for missing such a special occasion, or I truly regret missing it. देखो, I'm using the contractions. मैंने पहले भी यहाँ contractions use करी, यहाँ पर भी मैंने contractions use करी, because this is a informal letter. जब हम फॉर्मल लिखेंगे तब हम कभी भी यूज नहीं करेंगे, बट व्हेन वी आर राइटिंग अ इनफॉर्मल लेटर वी कैन यूज दी स्टेटमेंट. सो फर्स्ट आई एम विशिंग माय फ्रेंड. You all know the salutation. Then I'm writing only the opening part. I hope you had an amazing birthday. I am really sorry I couldn't make it to your birthday party. I truly regret missing it. So you have to write a opening statement because you missed out your friend's party. एक ही पर्पस है लेटर को लिखने का कि आपने अपनी फ्रेंड की पार्टी को मिस करा. सो यही पर्पस आपको यहां पर एक्सप्लेन करना है. दैट्स इट. क्लियर? यस प्लीज. कोई डाउट इन द ओपनिंग पैराग्राफ? यस, एनीवन? No?
I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sometimes the question is so long, and sometimes it's hard to find what's the main purpose of the topic is. So, and our opening sometimes is too long because we try to cover all the main points, and we thought it's the main purpose, because it's hard to find out what's the main purpose, and we just try to cover out all the things whatever mentioned in the question. So that's the problem.
Rajveer,
I find
listen.
this
You
problem.
should never talk about these things because you have to write it in detail. Only this part is nothing but the purpose of your letter.
Mhm.
These statement before this statement, you write a letter to your friend. That is why today first I'm focusing on writing a opening paragraph, because I know that bullet points so you will be able to write because they are all separated. You can write in the one paragraph, but sometimes the student get only confused with कि मैम opening में क्या लिखना था. So this is what we are practicing कि अगर आपको कोई भी question दिया है, the statement which is written before वो और कुछ नहीं बल्कि purpose है. Now suppose I'm giving you another, एक apology letter. You missed out your friend's important event. So again it is like you missed out your friend's birthday party. Right? Okay, let's do this, the entire essay. This one. You missed out your friend's important event. Write a letter to your friend. Now, event के बारे में आपको नहीं पता. Yes, anyone? You missed out your friend's important event. Anyone? Any suggestions how we will start the opening paragraph? Yes, Rajveer. क्या लिख सकते हैं हम यहाँ पर? Mauricio?
You say, I hope you had an amazing event.
Yes.
I am really sorry I
Hmm.
couldn't attend
Hmm.
to this event because I was
Hmm.
very busy
Yes.
with problems in my family.
Yes, that's great. Yes, Sonu. Yes, Sonu. Sonu, can you tell us about the opening statement? Swati, Deepika, Swami, any suggestions? Anyone? No? You can type. If you don't want to speak, you can just type. Yes, Swati. Write your friend's name. Hi, Neha. Then talk about the opening statement. Yes, Rajveer. So I hope you're doing well. I'm so sorry I missed your event. I know how important it was, and I feel really bad for not being there. I hope you had a wonderful time at your event. I'm really sorry for not being able to attend. I feel truly disappointed that I missed such an important moment in your life. Yes, Rajveer, is your doubt clear now? Yes, Rajveer.
Um, yes, ma'am. Yep,
देखो
it's clear.
आपको पर्पस क्या है? द पर्पस इज पर्पस इज कि आप लेटर लिख क्यों रहे हो? क्वेश्चन क्या है आपका? आपको कभी भी पर्पस में इन 3 बुलेट पॉइंट्स के बारे में डिस्कस नहीं करना. यू जस्ट हैव टू टॉक अबाउट दिस फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट. दैट्स इट. ओके.
Okay. Yep.
Now, once we're done with the purpose of writing the letter, the second thing is, okay, Swati, no problem. Uh, yes, Deepika, this is correct. I hope you had an amazing event. I'm really sorry for missing an important event. Yes. Or you can say your. I'm really sorry for missing your important event. Now, what will be the first body paragraph? हम first body paragraph में क्या लिखेंगे? First body paragraph में क्या आएगा? Yes. Yes, Mauricio.
The first paragraph would be
Mm-hmm.
I couldn't attend
Mm-hmm.
to your important event
Mm-hmm.
because I was really busy
Mm-hmm.
with problems with
Mm-hmm.
my parents.
Mm-hmm. So basically, what you need to do, you need to write apology. Apologize for
Okay.
missing an event. That means you should feel sorry, right? आपको क्या करना है? You should be feeling sorry for missing the event. How will you feel sorry? How will you talk about it?
Uh,
Mm-hmm. Yes, please.
Expressing regret
Yes, expressing
for
regret.
the missing.
Yes, to
Regret.
start. Yes. More? Mm-hmm. I truly feel sorry for not attending this event. I know it meant a lot to you. I regret missing such a wonderful celebration with you and everyone. Apologize कैसे करते हैं हम? Anyone? Apologize. Yes, Rajveer, apologize.
Yeah, we just
Mm-hmm.
sometime offer something in order to apologize, and
Mm-hmm.
we make plans.
Mm-hmm.
So Yes, these kind of things we do.
Yes.
Mhm. For example, oh my God, we arrange dinner or something for the friend in
No,
order to
no, 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 no. That you cannot say. अभी apologize. देखो यहीं पे task response wrong हो जाएगा. Apologize for missing the event means you have to talk about the sorry, the regret part. कि I'm really sorry I couldn't attend your event. I feel terrible for missing such an important occasion. I know that event
we
was
just
very important to you. You cannot say
we
that you
try
can
to.
settle it for some dinner. That settle part
Mhm.
cannot come here because this is apologize. So the
All
statement
right.
will be all apology. ठीक है वो for being sorry. All the statement will be for sorry part. You cannot say that I can settle you with a dinner or something like that. No. वो जब आप मीटिंग सून की बात करोगे then you can talk about that we will be meeting and we will be having a dinner or a lunch something like that. But once we are talking about this first bullet point, you have to only say sorry. In a three different statements, चार statement लिखो 40 words you can write or less depends कि आपके पास कितने ideas हैं. Try to write 40 words. Same चीज repeat because देखो this is not इस question में आपके पास बहुत सारे ideas नहीं but यहाँ पर आपको paraphrasing में काम करना है. आपने ऑलरेडी लिखा आई एम रियली सॉरी फॉर नॉट बीइंग एबल टू अटेंड दिस वाज नथिंग बट द पैराफ्रेजिंग. आपका ओपनिंग पैराग्राफ ही यही है कि आपने फ्रेंड का इवेंट अटेंड कर नहीं पाए. आप डिसअपॉइंटेड हो क्योंकि आपने उसका इंपॉर्टेंट मोमेंट मिस कर दिया. अब अपोलोजाइज ही आपको करना है फिर से. सो आई एम रियली सॉरी आई कुडंट अटेंड योर इवेंट. फिर से आप वही बात बोलोगे बट इन अ डिफरेंट वे. I really feel terrible for missing such an important occasion. I know that event was very important to you. Then I truly regret for not being there and I hope that you can understand and forgive me. हम किसी से apology कैसे करते हैं, apologize कैसे करते हैं? इसीलिए ना कि आई होप तुमने समझा, तुमने अंडरस्टैंड किया. आई होप तुम मुझे माफ करोगे कि मैंने आपका अटेंड नहीं करा. When you talk to your friend. Now what will be the next step? Why you could not attend? अब reason बताओ आपने attend क्यों नहीं करा? What was the reason? Explain why you could not attend. Reason क्या दोगे? कोई फैमिली में अनएक्सपेक्टेड इमरजेंसी हो गई. सडनली यू फेल इल ऑन दैट डे. आपका कोई अर्जेंट वर्क आ गया है ना. अगर हम किसी इंपॉर्टेंट इवेंट को नहीं अटेंड कर पाते अपने फ्रेंड की तो उसमें क्या क्या रीजंस हो सकते हैं. It can be some urgent work, some illness, some family emergency, आपको immediate actions लेने पड़े, कुछ ना कुछ बहुत जल्दी हुआ, everything happened suddenly and you had no choice but you have to handle the situation. So it's impossible for you to join your friend's event or you fell ill on that day. You were not feeling well enough to travel and participate in that event. So you have to rest at home, which actually prevented you to come to the event. Or you have some urgent work that came up at the last moment and it was something you could not postpone. So you have to complete it. So, which unfortunately stopped you from attending your friend's event. Yes, you have to brainstorm your ideas. Yes, Raj, I feel sorry because I can't attend your event. I feel you understand my feelings. My grandmother was not well. Yes. तो ये जो grandmother was not well है ना आपको इसको explain करना है अब कि how everything was happened at that time. So okay, let's write about this. I couldn't attend because I had an unexpected family emergency that require my immediate attention. Everything happens suddenly and you have to handle the situation. So you're not able to come, you're not able to join him for his event. Yes, anyone? Koi or idea? Yes, please. Raj, the idea is good, but you need to explain about your grandmother here. क्योंकि जो सॉरी वाला पार्ट है वो आप फर्स्ट बॉडी पैराग्राफ में लिखोगे. द सेकेंड बॉडी पैराग्राफ विल बी अबाउट द रीजन कि आपने क्यों अटेंड नहीं करा. सो यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन दैट सिचुएशन हियर. ओके. यस मॉरिशियो.
Yes, ma'am.
So why you could not attend your friend's event? Can you explain?
Okay. I truly regret not being there. Oh, excuse me. I feel terrible for missing some important occasion because I had an emergency at home.
Yes, correct. So see, there are three different situations. कोई family emergency हो सकती है, कोई health issue हो सकता है, या कोई work issue हो सकता है. So you can talk about any. Now I'm talking about the family emergency, the grandma वाला part. I'm not mentioning the grandma, but yes, you can mention. मैंने family emergency लिखा है, and then everything happens suddenly. Now what is the third? Suggest meeting soon. अब आपको मीटिंग पार्ट, यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट दिस. कैसे मिलोगे अपने फ्रेंड से, कैसे सजेशन दोगे कि लेट्स मीट अप, फ्रेंडली वे में, कैजुअल वे में. हाउ यू हैव टू राइट इट कि लेट्स मीट अप सून एंड स्पेंड सम टाइम टुगेदर. Maybe we can catch up over lunch or dinner this weekend or next weekend. We will celebrate about the event together. Yes. Or how about meeting this weekend for coffee or dinner? I would really love spending time together. Yes, Rajveer. Yes, Rajveer. Yes.
Yes, so we can explain about we can plan anything for him in order to make him feel special. So just to make feel him that we are really regret of not being over there. So we can start with in
So
order
here you have to talk about that lunch and dinner वाला part जो आप कह रहे थे ना settle कर सकते हैं. Here you have to
Yeah.
talk about it because it's a meeting part now, right? So we should definitely meet soon to catch up. Let's have a dinner or a lunch this weekend, right?
Mhm.
And then we can celebrate all about the event and together everything, right? Which you missed out. So we can celebrate with you. I would really like to hear all about the event and celebrate with you. Okay?
Yeah.
Clear? Yes. Now, what after this? When we write the three body paragraphs, what next we have to write? What next we write after the three body paragraphs? What is the structure? We write a closing statement. How do we close our letter? Yes. How do we close our letter? Closing statement. Take care. See you soon. Lots of love. Hope to meet you soon. Can't wait to catch up with you soon. So you can write all these friendly tone, the casual tones. Okay? Best wishes, Raj, best wishes is the sign off part जो आप last में लिखोगे with the name. But this is a closing statement. Lots of love and hope to see you soon. Now comes your sign off. अब आप sign off में लिख सकते हो take care, best wishes, all these words. And your first name आएगा या full name? Please tell me. First name or a full name? What do we write?
First name only.
Yes, we will be writing only the first name, not a full name. Clear?
Madam, need to write date and place
No, nothing.
anywhere?
No.
No need.
In IELTS writing, we never write any addresses, any dates, no, nothing. No dates, no addresses are mentioned here. Okay?
Even formal, informal, semi-formal letter, all three.
Not in any type of letter. You know that
Okay.
yesterday when we were talking about the structure of letter, did I told you that you have to write anything subject here, any address here, any date here? No. We just start with this. First, greetings, the salutation part. Then the opening paragraph, purpose of letter, why are you writing the letter? Then 3 bullet points, 3 different paragraphs. Then is your closing statement and sign off. That's
Sign off.
it.
Okay.
A very simple way to write a letter which will take you to the band 7. Listen carefully. IELTS writing tough nahi hai. Wrong approach is toughest for you. Because if you're gonna mix all these, then it is bit difficult कि अब next क्या लिखना था. Purpose means only this thing. जब आपको ये statement दिखेगी, write a letter to your friend. So उससे पहले जो statement है, it is nothing but the purpose of writing your letter. कि आप letter लिख क्यों रहे हो. Then all these 3 are to be written in the separate body paragraphs. Do not miss. जब apologize की बात करिए, only talk about the apologize part. Sorry, regret feel करो that you missed out the event. उसमें आप रीजन नहीं लिखोगे कि आपने क्यों अटेंड नहीं करा. द रीजन शुड बी ऑलवेज इन द सेकेंड बॉडी पैराग्राफ व्हाई यू कुड नॉट अटेंड. व्हाट वाज द रीजन बिहाइंड नॉट अटेंडिंग. अब ये रीजन आप ओपनिंग पैराग्राफ में भी नहीं लिख सकते because you have to explain it here. So be careful. If you follow the structure, then task response will always be on band 7. So make sure that you are all on band 7, not anyone on band 6 or 6.5. ये जो difference है ना 6.5 से 7 का, this is only 0.5, but you need to take care of all these things. Just try any letter on the application with the same structure. Focus on your grammar part, your vocab part, your coherence and cohesion. This is when we write separately. That means we are talking about apologize in the first body paragraph. We are talking about why we could not attend in the second body paragraph. We are actually logically organizing our ideas. So your bands are always higher in coherence and cohesion as well. Clear? Yes.
Okay,
So
thank you.
once you practice, your confidence level is always high. And that confidence level can reach you all to the band 7 plus. Clear? I hope now this informal letter is clear to you. Yes, please. Now I want all of you to share me a quick feedback before we end this session, and you need to be honest that क्या आज का सेशन आपके लिए हेल्पफुल था. क्या आपको इनफॉर्मल लेटर, like you will be able to write an informal letter confidently now? Please let me know.
Yes, really helpful to me. Okay, I'll more confident.
Yes. Thank you so much. So you want practice sessions like these only, like we are covering till now?
Okay.
Okay, that's great. Deepika?
So I want to know that, excuse me, this one I want to know that, I want to see that yesterday class, where I have to see? Yesterday class.
In the class section, once you open your application, you will be seeing the different sections: reading, writing, listening, and classes. So just click on the classes. You will be able to see IELTS class, IELTS live classes. Click on that. There are different modules: reading, writing, speaking. So in the writing, you will be having all the classes covered till now.
Okay, thank you. I'll
Yes.
okay.
No problem. So don't worry, we will be covering all the topics. Your feedback, it helps me make better sessions for you. राइट? सो प्लीज याद रखो, प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो राइटिंग ऑटोमेटिकली आपकी इंप्रूव हो जाएगी. Tomorrow onwards, we will be starting with the reading module. Yes, Sonu, what do you want to know? GT IELTS. What information you want? GT IELTS के लिए what information you want, Sonu? Yes, please. GT IELTS, the only writing part is little different and reading. Yes, we will be starting with the reading from tomorrow onwards. कल से reading module start हो रहा है, so be regular in the classes. ठीक है? Do not miss out any classes. You will come to know about the entire GT reading and for academic AC reading as well. मीनू, आपका इंटरव्यू था, आप क्लास नहीं ले सकते. सॉरी, आई डिडंट गेट यू.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
यस सोनू.
मैम मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ जो जीटी रीडिंग होती है ये जो होती नॉर्मल होती है या थोड़ा पैसेज लॉन्ग
Actually,
पैसेज होते
GT
हैं उसमें?
reading is quite easier as compared to academic reading.
Okay.
Yes, it is quite easier. The passages, the content of passages are little easier because it is, see, GT reading are for those people who are migrating for the work purpose or for the PR purpose. ठीक है, तो passages are slightly easier. Academic reading, the all passages are academic, scientific based, like all theory जो आप लोग पढ़ते हो. So that is little difficult to understand. But this GT is quite easier. Okay? But the types of questions are same. Only the passages are different. The types of question, the strategies are all same.
Okay.
No problem. Yes, anybody else? Anything would like to ask? Okay, then see you all tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.
Thank you so much. Bye.